You searched how to buy shares of Equinor ASA, so this quick guide will show the main steps. Equinor is a Norwegian energy company operating in oil, gas, and renewables. It trades on Euronext under the ticker EQNR.OL. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an ID document, and then add funds to your account before purchasing. Open the platform search box and type the ticker EQNR.OL to find Equinor ASA. Make sure you select the listing that matches Euronext and the EQNR.OL symbol to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct Equinor ASA listing. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. Once the trade is executed, your Equinor position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.